How to join Temu affiliate program. Joining the Temu affiliate program can earn you commissions by promoting Temu products, providing a chance to make extra income. And here's how we are going to get this done. First things first, I want you to go ahead and click the link in the description box. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and open Notepad, and this is the exact same link that you should be seeing in there. I want you to go ahead and click this one right here, and then I'm just going to open it. So when you open the link, this is something that you should be seeing. Now I want you to go ahead and click down below where it says get started. So I'm going to click this one, and then we're going to go ahead and continue. So you can either continue using your email, you can continue with your Google or your Facebook. Now if you don't have any of these, go ahead and click this one down below, and there is more option down here. So go ahead and proceed how you want. So for today, I'm going to continue with Google. I'm going to go ahead and click this one right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and choose between the following options here. I'm going to try this account right here. I'm going to hit continue. Alright, there you go. So as you can see, we are now in here. I'm just going to close all of these pop-ups, and I'm going to go ahead and explain this to you one by one. So the first thing that we have here at the top is our available balance. As you can see, mine here is 100. Basically, when you register, you are going to receive about $2 right away. And yep, you have the option to withdraw it here if you have enough amount to do so. Now, if you are going to go ahead and scroll down, you have the option here to earn. So how do we do that one? So down here, you have the option to share it. If you're going to do so, just go ahead and click this one right here, and you should be able to share this to any of your friends or anyone here on the following social networking site. You can also copy the link or share these items, and they should be able to receive about $100 coupon bundle and even a 30% discount. And of course, you're also going to get a slice of that milestone. Now I'm going to close this one, and I'm going to show you here. But you have to remember that they have to be new app users. Basically, they have downloaded the app first, and then another is reinstalled users or people who haven't uninstalled their app for the next 14 days. If you're going to do so, you will earn 10 to 30% commission on orders placed within 30 days of your referral downloading the app. Another one is $1 download extra for every referral who downloads and orders. So that's a good money, right? Now down here you have the same referrals. It's the same thing that I have shared you earlier, and then you can also go ahead and click the share button in here in order for you to share exclusive deals. Now down here you have easy to earn commission, so you can share in order for you to get referrals and earn commissions. So yeah, that is how you become an affiliate on Temu. Remember to click on my link down below in order for you to get started and earn a passive income right now. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.